Hello everyone, let's have a look at some idiots in cars today. BMW driver using their turn signal. Let's see. Can he manage it? No, he cannot. Bike brake checks a car. No, that's not very smart, is it? I'm shit scared of going on a bike. Oh! What the hell's happened there? Oh, that was silly, wasn't it? Road rage and vehicular assault in Nebraska. Let's see what the Americans are up to. Okay, she dashed some water at them. Oh, oh, she wild. Americans be like,
No fucking way you just did that! Run! No way! No way, we're gonna follow her! We're gonna follow her!
okay, they're gonna follow her. Is she behind them? Yeah. What's she up to now?
Oh, this is crazy! Oh, shit!
This is crazy.
No way, no way, no way, no way, no
A woman be crazy, innit?
Yeah, we're right. No way, no way.
Is she gonna ram them?
These redonkulous, bro. No way. Go that way. Go straight? Yeah.
Jesus, this woman.
I should let her tap me though, huh? Oh, hell no. I ain't letting her hit me at all, bro. She's insane. She thinks I'm gonna let her hit me.
She is insane, mate. She is.
I got in the ditch, bro. I got in the ditch. I had to help us find this lady. She needs to pay me for my damage.
She should.
Stuff again.
Absolutely crazy Karen.
Done.
Zex's version of snow on the windshield. Dusty. Random Honda stopped on the freeway. Oh my days. That's not even funny, mate. How many cars was that? Silly. Absolutely silly. Impatient driver attacks cyclist and gets knocked out. Did you guys cycle on the road, or are you shit scared of crazy drivers? Oh.
That's the SUV driver on the ground, and the biker now on top of him.
A woman had to help her husband, didn't you?
Watch again as the SUV driver allegedly assaults the biker.
Yeah, don't do that, dude.
Oh, he got what he deserved, didn't he? Sure, sweetie, you can try driving my boat, it's easy. Well, that's not a car, but it's a woman behind the wheel, so it should be good. Bumped into another boat. Is she gonna do anything else? What's she done? Oh, oh, oh. Okay, okay. The man managed to salvage that. Oh. She almost did it again. That was a close one. Crazy ex tries to run over boyfriend. When you tell her she can't live with you. Oh! She actually hit him. Jeez. Fuck's sake, some of these women be absolutely crazy. And that's probably apparently the man she loves as well. Nah, she's dead on. What the hell is wrong with her? What's that brick she just chucked at him? Absolutely mental. Oh, it's good the car's got a fairly large turning radius. Managed to dodge that like a champ.
She hit my car.
Oh, and now she's just crashing into other cars. Excellent. Naughty. Only after I've moved aside I realised the real danger I was in. That's not very safe, is it? The only smart one in the group. Oh. What the hell, man? What is wrong with some of these motorcyclists? Some douche blew a stop sign going 50 miles an hour and tossed me 40 feet. Douche ran, never to be found. Let's see what we had to go through, buddy. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Dude has no clue what bars on his roof are for. Oh, Jesus. What the hell? Wow. Idiot casually walking on damn interstate. It's basically a highway, innit? Oh my days. He nearly died. People go like 60, 70 miles an hour on the highway. There he is. Oh my god. Idiot brake checks 18-wheeler. Okay, go for it, buddy. You're not gonna get squashed, are ya? Why would you even do that? Careful with road rage, might not turn out like you thought. What's gonna happen here? Okay. Dude starts punching into the small white car. Man gets out and just slaps him up. Is he coming back for more, or has he... Oh no, he's back for more. The trucker's gonna get it. Ah, and he's on the floor. Is he getting up? Nah, I think he's done. Dude is done. Ah, it's good. It's good that you got his ass whooped. That's what you should do. Driver narrowly misses child scooter. Oh my god, Jesus Christ, that was a child. Nearly fucked up that child. Oh my days.
You want me to call the police or?
Yeah, you should get done for that. What the hell?
I caught it on video.
That's a pedestrian
I caught
crossing.
it on my video.
Nah, that's not alright. Absolute idiot, that one. Oh my days, look how traumatized the mother is. Her child nearly died. Can someone explain physics behind this? On a lighter note. Oh, whoop. Up he goes. That's like some Looney Tunes stuff. Whoa, what's gonna happen here? Oh my day. Oh, what?
Wow!
You had so much time to stop. That was a nice BMW as well. Wait, was it? I'm an idiot.
Wow!
I was an idiot this week. I'm glad he screamed. That triggered immediate braking instinct. What did you do, buddy? Oh. Near run over a cyclist. Oh, oopsie daisy. More roundabout fun. And you hit two cars. Massively overpacked pickup truck. How'd you do that? How do you do that? Just get a U-Haul or something. Idiot on bikes hits my mum's car. Great. Problem. Cub speeds without lights in the school zone. Proceeds to tell man standing on the sidewalk, get out of the road.
Vehicle 1039, JSO. 36 miles per hour and a 15 mile per
Okay.
hour zone.
What's the cop's reaction?
Busted. How you doing? 36 miles per hour and a 15 mile per hour zone. This line is right there at the school. Alright.
Cop stop explaining.
Caused an accident.
It's good he didn't get shot.
I'm on the sidewalk, dude. You're busted, man.
Unlucky. I think this speaks for itself. Alright, he's hit nothing. Try to overtake in a left turn lane. Ooh, you can hear him hitting the curb. Idiot with appliance. Is that a fridge? Looks like a fridge. Probably not tied down either. And it falls out. And he keeps going. Is he gonna pull over? Doesn't look like it.
Nobody in it. Pull up. I'm pretty sure that there's nobody in it besides a dog. Look. Buddy!
Dog in the Tesla. How does that even work? I say you keep your hands on the wheel for it to drive.
Is this legal? Is this allowed?
Elon must be wild.
There's nobody in there, man. Oh my god. Where are you going? Are you going to the vet?
Alright, thanks for watching everyone. See you next week.